DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, are internet-native organizations running on smart contracts or codes. Within this DAO, the community together takes any decision and determines the protocols as well as the rules and regulations. In a general case, the DAO membership consists primarily of holders of the said native DAO token. Although, technically speaking, DAOs do not need to have crypto associated with it, however, as of now most of the DAOs do. The last few years have seen DAOs rising tremendously, and experts believe that it is one of the fastest growing offshoots of blockchain technology. Currently, the crypto market is full of hundreds of DAO tokens. While discussing about DAO, number 10 is Nervos Network. CKB Nervos Network is an open-source public blockchain ecosystem. It describes itself as a collection of protocols with all-time high, 4 cents. It's a proof of work with CKB as native token. Its supply is 29.79 B. It enables the storage of any crypto asset with immutability, security and in a permissionless manner, as well as enables smart contract along with layer 2 scaling. With market cap, $440,138,774. While discussing about DAO, number 9 is ZeroX. ZRX is an infrastructure blockchain protocol letting users trade ERC20 tokens as well as other crypto assets on the Ethereum network without the intervention of centralized intermediaries present in centralized exchanges, with all-time high, $2.53. It's a proof of work with ZRX's native token. Its supply is proof of work with ZRX's native token. Its supply is 847,496,054.80 ZRX. ZeroX supports both fungible, ERC20, as well as non-fungible, ERC723, tokens unlike other decentralized exchanges. With market cap, $578,334,870. While discussing about DAO, number 8 is SushiSwap. SushiSwap. Sushi is yet another automated market maker, AMM, that deploys smart contracts to make market for any given pair, with all-time high, $23.38. It's a proof of work with supply 127,244,443.00 Sushi. It is used to create automated liquidity between any two crypto pairs. With market cap, $554,409,863. While discussing about DAO, number 7 is Synthetix. SNX, a DeFi lending protocol, allows on-chain exposure to a wide variety of both crypto as well as non-crypto assets. With all-time high, $28.77, it's a proof of work, with supply 114,841,533.01 SNX. It is a decentralized exchange, DEX, for synthetic assets. With market cap, $567,255,600. While discussing about DAO, number 6 is Compound. Compound is yet another DeFi lending protocol allowing users to receive interest on their cryptos via depositing them into one of the numerous pools available on the platform. Its all-time high was $911.20. It's a proof of work with supply, 6,567,523.63 comp. Compound allows users to earn interest on their idle cryptos by simply depositing them in a completely trustless fashion. With market cap, $878,155,455. While discussing about DAO, number 5 is Dash. Dash is an open-source blockchain focusing on cheap as well as fast global payments in a decentralized manner. Its all-time high was $1,642.22. It's a proof of work with hash function named X11, with supply 10,581,109.44 Dash. Dash aims to become a user-friendly as well as scalable payment-focused crypto for the entire world. With market cap, $1,136,972,117. While discussing about DAO, number 4 is Curve DAO Token, CRV. Curve is a special decentralized exchange just for stable coins that also utilizes automated market maker for managing liquidity. Its all-time high was $60.50. It's a proof of work, with supply 445,209,123.91 CRV. It is an automated market maker for trading stable coins. With market cap, $1,404,374,792. While discussing about DAO, number 3 is Maker, MKR. MKR is the governance token for the Maker DAO as well as the Maker protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. This helps the users to manage as well as issue the stablecoin DAI. Its all-time high was $6,339.02. It's a proof of work following governance protocol with supply 977,631.04 MKR. MKR allows holders to directly participate in the process of governing the stablecoin DAI. With market cap, $2,075,112,111. While discussing about DAO, number 2 is Aave, AAVE. Aave is a very popular example of DeFi, decentralized finance, protocol allowing people to borrow and lend crypto. Its all-time high was $666.86. It's a proof of stake, with supply, in top 10, Aave is only DAO, following proof of stake mechanism. Its supply is 13,514,625.86 Aave. Aave lets users lend as well as borrow in 20 cryptos, giving users a great amount of choice. Borrowers can also alternate between variable and fixed interest rates. Market cap is $2,297,026,088. While discussing about DAO, number 1, at top position lies Uniswap, UNI. Uniswap is an example of automated market maker and is also a popular decentralized trading protocol. Its all-time high was $44.97. It's a proof of work, with supply 632,258,216.89 UNI. The automated process of market making not just reduces the risk but also reduces the cost for all the parties. With market cap $7,065,170,479. Just as NFT is the futuristic or digitized version of owning property rights, Metaverse is a digitized world. Similarly, DAOs are the blockchain and digitized version of organizations. However, while indulging in these native tokens of these internet-based organizations, it is important to understand the purpose, principle, and process of the DAO. That is all on DAO top 10 items in this class. If you need any more details, please comment in below section. Thanks, goodbye.